Here you go, Sue. Now you get to hear one of them make a noise. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you like that treat. Go ahead, take it. Go ahead. Well, you just want to lick my fingers. You want it? What? Look at you climbing in my lap. You're definitely much tamer than the other little one. What? What are you doing, you sweet thing? Where are you going? Ow. I can't really get much video of you if you're sitting on my lap, baby doll. You like that camera? What, Bailey? Come here. Your leg's stuck. There you go. Here, have a treat. Walk, Sean. If you run, you're going to scare him.
I'll wait.
Here, sweetie. Yes, a good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, you like it. What did I just tell you, Sean? Thank you. Appreciate you scaring him away. Go.
The crop?
When they neutered them.
Oh.
Now, you two stand still, please, and stop scaring them off. What are you doing? What? Come here. Come here, Bailey. Come here, Bailey. Bale? Oh, I hear you. Come here. That's a good baby.
What's that?
Peppermint treats.
They like peppermint treats?
Yep. Where are you going? Oh, you're jumping on me, yeah. I don't have any treats in my pocket. What?
Can we get close?
Careful now. He's gonna...
Small sour treat? Have one?
He doesn't want them right now. I can't even see the goat. You guys are in the way. All right, you're overwhelming him. Back up. Oh, you sound so sad. You miss your mommy. You miss your mommy. Oh, you're giving Sean kisses. I wish Sparky would give kisses, but he's all over here by himself. He's still scared of us. He'll come around. Come here, Sparky. You have a buddy now. All right, Sue. Well, at least you got to hear one of them. Hold on. It's okay, Sparky. It's okay. Where's Loudmouth? Let go. You're not holding his collar, are you?
No.
All right. Hi, sweetheart. Well, at least you like attention.
Look at him.
Oh, look, he's giving Sean kisses.
Oh, that looks... Can you give me kisses?
Spark. No, not Sparky. Wrong one.
Bailey?
Bailey. Come here, Bailey.
I don't think you can reach that far.
Bailey. Hi. Come here, sweet pea. Come here. Come here. Come here. You want to hang out with the boys?
I'll stop him.
You want to hang out with the boys? Oh, you'll be okay. Was that a little loud, Mike? Oh my, he's sticking out his tongue now too. You're all right, babe. And then you get Sparky way down there peeking around the corner of the tree, watching everything. Oh my.
Does he like a rubbing on his stomach?
I think he likes rubbed anywhere. He's very friendly.
Alright,
He just misses his mommy and his brothers and sisters. So just take a little time to get him used to them, to us. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Barry.